Bea, as one of the Choco Mucho OGs, you've been through the highs and lows of the team. So, gano'n lang kalaki ang accomplishment to reach the Final Four in such a dominating way.
Ang tagal namin itong hinintay, sa totoo lang. I think it's been 4, almost 5 years na may Choco Mucho na. And this has always been part of the goal. And syempre within that middle, medyo lumalabo siya. But now na nakita namin na at this point in time, hindi na kami nagbibilang ng ibang umaasa sa ibang team na matalo, yung bilangan na gano'n kasi we all know it depends on points sometimes lalo na pagka naghahabol ka dun sa spot na pang-apat. But yun nga ngayon, tinatanong na kami kung namimili pa kami ng kalaban. So yun, wala, ang sobrang saya to see and to be with the team through ups and downs and sobrang thankful lang kami na nandito.
Masabi mo ba na yung system ni coach talagang na-embrace na ng buong team? Kasi remember natin nung pagdating niya medyo nangangapa pa kayo kasi dun sa adjustment Ngayon ba with 9 straight wins, masasabi mo na talagang na-embrace yun na yung system na dala niya?
Yeah, I think solid na yung implementation ni coach. Talagang sinaga namin siya, sinaga din nila coach. Marami siyang pinagdaanan and finally, after a year, isang taon ka na sana na much.
So next week.
Yan, mag-anniversary na siguro. So yan, actually, napakabilis nga nung pag-absorb ng system. But I think we're there. Definitely may improve pa for sure. I'm sure mas marami pang cards si coach sa pockets niya. But yeah, I think definitely everybody's doing well and na-embrace na yung system. Yung mga adjustments niya nagagawa na namin, isang sabi niya lang, na susunod naman namin.